Hello, welcome to today's video. So today is 13th of June, and I'll be going over the trade that I've taken for the day. So starting with the trades that I carried forward positionally from yesterday were ITC, Pidilite, and gold. So these were the trades that I carried forward, and I made some adjustments to the ITC trade, and I closed out the gold trade and had intraday. Today was an expiry day, so had taken a intraday expiry date trading for Nifty. So yeah, these are the positions that I have. So I've carried forward Nifty, sorry, ITC and Pidilite for today. So I'll go over the basis for all these. So in the morning, I decided to enter Nifty intraday trades. So I did wanted to have more margin. So I had no other choice but to square off the gold trade that I took, right? So this was about this support resistance. So I've sold this support and this call, and since the market went up, so I was in a good profit. So I made 1,000 rupees. The max profit was around 5,000, and for about 2 weeks, so I made 1,000 in a day. So I just took the profit because I also needed margin. So I closed out this trade and took intraday Nifty trade, which I'll come over uh, later. So yeah, but coming to the ITC trade, so ITC it went down, so it's almost near the stop loss or the stop loss that I had kept for this trade, but because it's an option trade, I just tried adjusting the trade. So what I've done is that I've like, sold 430 call and 432.5 puts as an inverter triangle. So I've extended the break even for this trade. Uh, 1 point to the down, 1% to the downside, 1.4% to the upside. So I'll try to get uh, out of this trade with some profit. So that is a challenge that I've taken for myself. I could easily have gone close the trade on a loss and take another trade, but I just want to test myself, challenge myself to see if I'm able to come out of this trade positively. Uh, so yeah, that is the data, and though this is a kind of short straddle at 430 and 432.5 as of now with hedges on both sides. It's about a lakh margin, and this is a this month expiry, current month expiry. So to be careful as well because the last week would require a higher margin and delivery as well. So that is to be taken. The other trade was Pidilite, which kind of is working well, I would say. I took the trade here. So today it opened up, went down, and there is a bit of a rejection from the bottom. So it's kind of at the resistance level, sorry, at the support level for now. And I have not made any changes to the trade. So this is a full call spread of 3,100, 3,200, and the max loss is 8, and profit is 16. Good risk to reward. And yeah, I'll carry this trade and see how it goes and post an update. So if it goes down, hits this stop loss, I'm exiting no matter what. But if it goes up, depending on how quickly and when it goes up, I try to some profits on this. Okay, these are very now coming to the Nifty intraday trade that I took. So I just want to go over the yeah. So mm you look at it was a simple expiry, so there wasn't much movement. So I entered around here around 9:30, and I just you know look at the trades. Yeah, I started with 22, 23 200, 23 600. The market went down, so I switched to 23 500, and I held this trade for excuse me till the expiry. So this wasn't much, so made about 4,000, and I also traded another account. So think I can show that as well. Just a moment. Yeah, let us let it load. So in the meantime, so the new trade. So I don't have any new trade, right? So the trade that I'm carrying forward is the ITC, kind of an encounter to short straddle trades with hedges and the Pidilite bull call spread. So these are the trades that I'm carrying forward. But I've taken a look at I've taken a look at another stock which is kind of looking interesting. So if you look at the Bajaj Finance, this is Bajaj Finance, and if you draw the trend line here, it is kind of at the resistance or at the top of the resistance level. So I'll be keeping an eye on this. So it could be a breakout or it could, you know, uh, find resistance and come down. So I've just taken a note of this. So you see there are Bajaj Finance is a resistance and you have to watch out for it. So depending on how it goes, I'll be initiating a trade and posting an update. I'm sorry for this. So basically what I did is that here it's simple, right? I took the same trade and I made about 2,300 rupees on margin of 1,90,000, which is about 1.5 to 1.6%. So yeah, that was the trade. It's similar to that, right? So I took about 223, 200, 23, 500 short strangle. So that was the trade for the day, and the expiry was pretty much easy, so I didn't have to do much. So let me see if I'm able to log in and show that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So if you see here, right? So it's the same trade. So 22 started with 550 and moved it down to 2,500. And yeah, I ended up with 2,333 rupees and the margin of about 180. So yeah. Yeah, that is the trade for now, for today. So it was a good expiry. And yeah, I'll keep you posted about what are the trades I take tomorrow. So tomorrow the plan, there's not much plan to. I think maybe tomorrow by around afternoon or end of the day, I will be trying to take a positional trade on Nifty, and also will be keeping a look on this Bajaj Finance if it breaks out, what can be done, and also managing the positions of ITC and Pidilite. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.